Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up step-by-step e-commerce tracking in Google Analytics 4 using Google Tag Manager. So without further delay, let's begin learning. To get started, we need a Google Tag Manager container and Google Analytics 4 property. You can easily create Google Tag Manager container. Just go to tagmanager.google.com and enter your account name. Also, you can use your company name. Then enter your website name, select web and select create. Your Google Tag Manager account will be created done. You can see this is my Google Tag Manager container. Now go to Google Analytics. Just go to analytics.google.com. You will get this account creation page. Enter your account name. You can use your business name, and if you want to share data sharing settings to Google, then you can select this, then select next, then enter your property name. You can use your website name, then select your reporting time zone, then select currency, and then select next. Then describe your businesses, select your industry category. You will get here is the some categories, then select your business's size, then select next, and choose your business objectives. If your website store is e-commerce, then select drive online sales. And also if you want, you can select the raise brand awareness and then select create. Then you will get a setup data stream pages. Here is enter your website URL without HTTPS. Then enter your stream name. You can use your website name. Then select create and continue. After select create, you can see here is your the stream name. Here will be the your website URL. Here is your stream ID. And the most important is we need a measurement ID. And here is the measurement ID. Now let's go to the website. I'm using for this tutorial a Shopify website. You can do this same setting to your WooCommerce website or any other platform. Don't worry, the setup process is same. Just follow these steps. Before to continue, we need a data layer for WooCommerce or any other CMS. I'm using a Shopify data layer to my store. If your website is Shopify, then you can use my data layer to your store. Now I am going to the theme edit code of pages. Then I will go to the snippets, add new snippets, and I will copy the snippets name, file name, and then select the snippet name. I will copy the whole code. You can see here is the lots of code. It's required for to getting product information from our website, and I will paste it here the code. Then I will replace this GTM container ID with my Google Tag Manager container ID. I will copy and replace with. Then I will save this. Then I will exit from the website. Now let's test the Google Tag Manager preview mode. Select the preview and you will get here the a page. Enter your website and select connect. And it's connected with Google Tag Manager. If I select any single product page and if I go to the Tag Assistant preview page, if I select the view item and if I go to the data layer, you can see here is the product information is showing. Our product name is 2021 and you can see here is the first letter. Now we need to create some triggers, and this triggers is depends on your goals. and what do you want to track. And if I go to the GA4 recommended events, the article, and here is the some events, or also you can see this is our events, and here is the recommended events for online sales, but we don't need the all events. And for this tutorial I will use the view item, view cart, remove from cart, purchase, and begin checkout event, also add to cart. Let's create some triggers, then we will set up this event for Google Analytics 4. Now go to the Google Tag Manager and select the triggers and select add new triggers, and then select the custom event. The event name, first event name will be the view item. Select save, and also you can enter your any custom event name. I will use the view item. Now let's create the another event. The next event will be the add to cart. Now create another event. Then create remove from cart event. Then also select the begin checkout event. Then our final event will be the purchase. Our custom events or triggers created successfully done. Now let's create some variables. And before, if I go to the tags, and if I select any tag configuration to Google Analytics, then if I select the Google Analytics GA4 event, we have to send parameters with the event name. And if I go to again the document, then if I select the view item, and you can see here is the some parameters is required for view item event. Here is the required parameters is currency value items array. Now let's create these three parameters. Go to the Google Tag Manager, then go to the variables, and I have already on Tag Assistant preview mode. Then I will copy the variable. Our first variable name will be the items. First variables is created done. Now let's create the second variable and select the e-commerce. Then the second variables will be the currency. Our third variable will be the value. Congratulations, our required three variables is created done for the view item add to cart. And now if I go to the for other events, our most important events will be the purchase. If I select the add to cart, events parameter is same. And if I go to the purchase, we need to create some extra parameters is transaction ID, coupon, shipping, Okay, now let's create. Then the parameters name will be the transaction ID. Then another parameters name will be the coupon. The another parameters name will be the shipping. And now I have created required parameters. Now let's create tags and set up G4 e-commerce tracking for Google Analytics 4. Go to the tags and then select the tag configuration. Then select the Google tag and enter your GA4 measurement ID. I will create a variable. I'll paste it here, the measurement ID. Enter the variable name and save this. And then select the triggering. The trigger will be the all pages. Then add a parameters. The parameters name will be the same page view. Then save this. You can enter your any name. Congratulations, our first tag is created done. Now let's create the view item tags. I will go to the GA4 event name, edit your the measurement ID, and enter the event name. Event name will be the view item. And the event parameters, we need to send some parameters for Google Analytics. The first parameters will be the items, the second one will be the value, and third one will be the currency. Edit the parameters, DLB items. The second parameters will be the value. The third one will be the currency. And then select the triggering is view item. Now save this. Now let's create the add to cart event. If I go to again the Google Analytics 4 event, I will edit the measurement ID. And enter your the event name. Then we have to again send some three parameters: value, items, currency. Then select the triggering, add to cart, and save this event. Now let's create the remove from cart tags. Again, edit the measurement ID, enter the event name, then select again the event parameters. Then edit the parameters value. Change the triggering with remove from cart. Then save this tags. Now let's create the view cart event. Again, I will select the GA4 measurement ID, and the event name will be the view card. I will add the again these three parameters. And I will check the view card event parameters recommended list from this website. The parameters list is the same, the currency value and items for the view card. I will edit this parameter, the value and the currency. Then I will select the tickering. The tickering name will be the view card. Now let's create the final tags for purchase. Then I will add the parameters name, currency, coupon, the transaction ID, tax. Now edit the parameters, value, currency, coupon, transaction ID, then tax. Now let's create the tickering. Then I will select the purchase and then save this. Event name will be the purchase. Then save this. Now submit this container. You can enter your any version name. I'll select the GA4 e-commerce setup. Now let's check the GA4 e-commerce tracking using Google Preview. Before I will go to the Google Analytics 4 property, then I will go the debug view. I select the admin, then you will get the debug view. If everything is perfectly successful works, then you will get the all information on these debug events. I'll go to select the Google Tag Manager, select the preview, then enter your website URL and select connect. Now if I select any product, then I will go to the tag assistant preview mode and I will go to the view item. You can see here is the tags is fired, here is showing. Now if I select the view item tags, you can see here is our the items. Here is the product details is showing. There is the product quantity, price, discount, everything is showing. If I select the parameters name is value. Here is the parameters value. Here is our currency. That's mean the everything is working perfectly. Now if I select the add to cart, then I will select the add to cart. You can see everything is perfectly working. You can see the parameters is showing on the top. Okay, now let's I will edit another product for test remove from cart. Then I will go to the view cart. Here is the two product, right? Now if I go to the tag assistant preview mode, also you can see here is the view cart event is fired, and here is the showing these two products. Here is one and here is the another, and you can see here is the value parameters is 23. Now if I select the remove from cart, you can see here is the remove from cart event is fired also. If I select this event, and you can see here is the remove from cart, the product details, the product value. Now if I select the checkout, now I will enter any dummy information for the testing purpose. Now I'll select the pay now, and purchase is successfully done. Now again I will go to the tag assistant preview mode. You can see here is the purchase event is fired. Now if I select the purchase tags, and you can see here is the product detail is showing, and here is the product value is 197 USD, 197 USD. Here is the currency code. Here is the coupon. There is no coupon. I have not used any coupon. And here is the transaction ID. Here is the tax is 0 because I have not entered any tax. If I coming to Google Analytics for debug mode, you can see here is the view item add to cart event is coming from the website, or you can see this event is sending Google Tag Manager to Google Analytics 4. And you can see if I select the summary, you can see all text is fired, and the remove from card and view card is not firing. If I select the again remove from card and the view card, it's removing, and you can see here is the all text is fired. That's mean everything is perfectly working. And if I select the purchase event, you will get the items. And also if I select the parameters, here is the currency, and here is the text, here is the transaction ID, and here is the value is 24. And everything is perfectly working as I expected. And thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any question about, and if you are getting any problem, you can send me message via email or WhatsApp. You will get the contact information in this video description box. Thanks for watching.